when you're on vacation and Stitch Fix sends you an email and says, hey, order a style box and we will waive the $20 styling fee. And I'm like, yes, please. So I went in, confirmed that I wanted a style box, and I received a preview. I declined everything. They sent me a second preview. I declined those. So look, I just want some items, I need casual items, but I want a little elevated. So it looks like I'm a little dressed up, but not dressed up. Does that make sense? I have plenty of like plain t-shirts, very casual, but I'm in the need of something to look a little more put together, if that makes sense. So I don't know, we'll see if the stylist came through, because after the second preview, I didn't get a third one. So this is it. So when you get your box, you will receive a return envelope, and usually the return sticker is on it, but this time it's separate. So that's a little different, but no big deal. And they also send you a list of everything that's in here and what the price is. You have 5 days to try it on and return it, shipping to you, and returns are all free. And if you use my referral link, you will receive a $25 credit I think it's after your first purchase, when you make a purchase. And then I also will receive a $25 credit. So that's kind of nice. Here's my bundle. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show them to you real quick. And then when I try them on, I'll give you all the information. So I just kind of wanna see what I'm gonna be trying on. Put these over here. Gray sweater, light sweater, pretty color. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Oh, it looks like it has the kind of like a little bit of a flared sleeve. It's a light gray. Okay, I like it. This is lighter. This is a little heavier and it's soft. This one is a little lighter. It's got the collar, black with a cream piping, and it does have buttons on the front. Very much my style. See, you could dress it up, dress it down. That's what I like. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this. This is kind of like that waffle feel, or like almost like a thermal, but it's really soft. V-neck. Oh, it looks like a tunic. I need tunics. Let's see, it's got the slit on the side. It's an off-white. I like that. Okay, I have to look to see who my stylist is, because I think we're off to a really good start. What are these? These are corduroy. They're black. They look black. Who do they buy? Democracy. Okay, so I mean, these you could wear dressed up, dressed down. Oh, they've got the flap pocket on the back. I don't know if you can, how well you're going to be able to see this with the black. Okay, I like those. Oh, these are interesting. What are these? Oh, these are different. I don't know, I kind of like them. These are Wit and Wisdom, which I love, Wit and Wisdom. Okay, these are interesting. Huh. Wide leg, it looks like. I like the pocket on the front, the stitching. Okay, well, we'll see what they look like. So I'll be back for the try on. All right, we're gonna start off with the Wit and Wisdom pants that I have on, the button fly. I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see the pants well. I'm not sure what kind of top to wear with them. The stylist note said to wear kind of a little more form-fitting kind of knit top, but I don't have anything like that. So this is the closest thing that I could find. I put a belt on, but I don't think the belt does anything for it, and I don't think this is the right top to wear with it, nor is it the right shoes, but let's just go with it. Okay, these are the Wit and Wisdom Skyrise Button Fly Wide Leg Pants. And this is the navy with the stitching on it. And they are high rise. I am wearing a size 10 and they are very comfortable. They are loose fitting. I love the pockets in the front, the patch pockets. The length on the Wit and Wisdom website, it says that they're a 30-inch. Stitch Fix says they're a 31-inch. They are very comfortable. The inseam is 11 inches, and they come in a variety of colors. From the Wit and Wisdom website, they have 7 colors, sizes 00 to 18. And Stitch Fix has only 3 colors, the navy. And the navy on both websites, the navy is the only pair that has the stitching. And they come in the navy, burnt orange, and a red. And on Stitch Fix, they come in size 0 to 16. They're $88, the same as Wit and Wisdom's website. But they start in sizes 00 to 18. And like I said, they have 7 colors. The white looked pretty nice. And let's see, they're both $88, whichever website you get them from. So they're very interesting. Let me show you these without the belt. I don't have the right belt to wear with these. And I don't even know if you need a belt with the right top and the right shoes. I don't know, they're pretty cute and they're comfortable. What do you guys think? Next outfit, I have on the Cosmic Blue Love sweater in light gray. I like how long it is. The sleeves are very long. For reference, I'm 3.5 inches tall. And this is a size medium. I am wearing the light gray. I like the bell fluted sleeve, whatever they might call it. It feels soft. It's a little tiny scratchy. There's some acrylic in it, but not enough to keep me from wanting to wear it. It doesn't feel as acrylic as a lot of acrylics that I've tried on. The neck is a little tight up here, but not something that would bother me, but maybe if you don't like anything touching your neck, this wouldn't be for you. I like the length of it. I like the sleeves. I'm gonna roll the sleeves up. And it'll work just fine. This is gonna be more of like a casual sweater for me to put on with some jeans. You could do a front tuck. It's probably a little too thick to tuck in all the way around. But here's the length. I know it's pretty cute. Okay, the best part, let me get my notes. Like I said, I'm wearing a size medium. This color, the light gray at Stitch Fix is $38.97. So that sounds like a sale price to me. It also comes in a dark gray, but that price is $88. And an espresso, that's $33.97. Off-white is $44.97. And some of the sweaters, but not all of them, are available in the sizes 1X to XXL, but not in all colors, aren't in all sizes. So I don't know, maybe it depends on their inventory. I don't know. But for almost $40, this is gonna be a keeper. I think it'd be really cute, kind of with a front tuck, maybe put a belt on. I don't know. It's not bad, not bad. Not my favorite. But for the price and for what I would wear it for, I think I'm gonna keep it. All right, let's talk about these pants. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see the pants better. These are the Democracy, I can't say it today, Absolution Corduroy High Rise Itty Bitty Boot Cut Pants. I'm wearing a black. They have the side pockets here. It is a zipper with a button. It has the pockets, the flaps in the back. The length, they say, is a 32-inch inseam. The rise is a 10-inch. It feels like I have to keep pulling them up. So that's kind of it bothers me a little bit. The pants feel great, except the inseam keeps kind of feeling like I've got too much material in the crotch. They come in a size 0 to 16. They're available in black, which I have on, brown, and olive. And they're $88. I'm wearing a size 10. So I don't think these are gonna be a keeper, but I mean, otherwise, if it wasn't for this extra material right here, I'd probably keep them because they feel actually really nice other than that. I love this. I'm gonna keep this. It just feels nice. It's lighter weight. They call it the Irwin V-neck tunic sweater. They call it a sweater. This is not a sweater. This is like, almost like a flannel. It's soft, very soft. Like a flannel, not flannel. Gosh, I don't know what to call this, but they call it a sweater. I don't know. It's just, I don't know what to call it. Hopefully I'll think of it and I'll put it on the screen for you. But I'm wearing the off-white in a medium. It's $55. I love it. It comes in purple, green, black, navy, and the off-white, which is what I'm wearing. Oh, it's a waffle. It's like a waffle fit. Yeah. But it's soft. I really like it. Size medium, like I said, $55. This is a keeper. It's longer. You could wear it with leggings, but I don't think it covers my bum enough for me to be comfortable in it. But I like the split on the side. I like the V-neck. It does have the like a stitching down the center. The sleeves are long, but not too long. I love it. I'm not wearing a cami underneath. It is on the thinner side. It's not real thick, but it's not real thin. But when it gets really cold out, I would probably wear a cami underneath it just to get a little more warmth. Just the back. And I just put my jeans on. So I don't know, this is a keeper. I look back at the gray sweater. I don't think I like it. I don't know, there's something about it that even for the price, I'm not sure I'll reach for it. But I've got one more top. I'll be right back. Last top, I love this top. This is really cute. Let me back up so I can show it to you more. I have my jeans on. It's a little snug here because I got the belly thing going on. The black kind of hides it, but if I turn sideways or sat down, you'd really see it. But I don't care because I love it. So it'll make me a little self-conscious, but because it's black, it kind of camouflages it. But this is so cute. Let me tell you what it is, and then I'll back up a little bit more and show you more. 41 Hawthorn. It is the Valerie Rib Johnny ... something. I think the Johnny collar is what they call it. I'm wearing a size medium in black. It's $49. It also comes in burgundy, navy, off-white in size 1X to XXL with Stitch Fix. So this is cute. I really like it. It's lightweight, so it's kind of more of that, to me, that transition. But I mean, it's 65 degrees here in Ohio today, so this is perfect. But look at the ribbing and the outline. The outline on the different colors are a little different. But it's got the buttons here. I love the detail on here. I like the V-neck with, they call this a Johnny collar. They say it's ribbed. This one's black. So cute. I like it. What do you guys think? The length is good. No. Overall, my stylist, Catherine, she did a fabulous job. She's new to me, and I think she nailed my style, really. So this is a definite keeper, and so is this one. I would like to have this in all the colors, I think. This is so comfortable. Let me show it to you a little closer. It's ribbed, waffle, whatever they call it. So this is a keeper. This top's a keeper. I've decided, even though this gray is on sale, I don't know, I just didn't feel, I don't know. I won't reach for it. And I'm not really a big fan of light gray. So that's gonna go back. The corduroys, these are gonna go back because of the crotch. That's the only reason. And then these, oh my gosh, I love these, but I don't know how to style them. And that is the only reason I'm returning these. I'm just not sure. So my whole box is $318.97. If I were to keep everything, the buy all discount 25% is $79.74. So my subtotal to me would be $239.23 for 2 pairs of pants and 3 tops. I don't think that's bad at all. I really thought that I would keep it all, but because of little fit issues here and there, I'm just not gonna keep it unless I feel good in it. I feel good in this, and I feel good in the off-white tunic. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.